Hey you guys, just Tiff. I am going to give you a review of this JISULIFE portable neck fan that I just got yesterday, delivered from Amazon. I love it so far. I'm going to give you the good, the bad, and the okay? So I've only used it for this one day. I got it last night. It was already charged when I opened it up, but I did go ahead and put it back on the charger, or on the charger rather, so that I know my fan will be fully charged when I used it today. And I went to the office. I have had to use it probably 5 times today because I'm going through perimenopause. I'm just going to be transparent. And these hot flashes ain't no joke. Now, I've tried a few fans, but the hands-free option that I have with this fan is perfect because all I have to do is tap the button and turn it on. There are 5 speeds, which I really like. It's not too noisy. Of course, it's right in my ears, so I hear it, but it's not like too noisy that I'm disturbing people around me, which is great. I love the one-touch button, so I can turn it on, so I can change the speeds, and I recommend this product. I don't have any problem with it. The only thing that I noticed was when I left the office and I got into my car, which was hot because it's hot and it's summer. My fan was running, however, since it's pulling air in from the surroundings, that air that it was blowing into my face was also hot. So it's not like I was getting cool air while I was getting in my car that was hot, so I could be cool while it was cooling off. That was not something that happened. So it's not a terrible thing, but I just noticed it. Okay, so if you are looking for a fan and you want to make sure that it's always going to have cool air despite your surroundings, then you might want to do a little more research. Meanwhile, I'll be enjoying this one because so far I haven't found any reason not to. All right, just Tiff, that's all.
So the issue I'm having with this is it blows air out of here, but not really out of here. So when this is face up, it's supposed to go on your neck like this. So it's blowing up at your head. And this blows in your face and your eyes, mostly. You can see when I turn it on. I'll put it on its highest setting so you can really see. There's 5 settings, which is cool, but when you see with this plastic here, it's blowing it right here, right? But when you get to the back of the neck, nothing. Side of the neck, great. It blows right in your eyes. But on the back of the neck, nothing. So if you're hot, this isn't going to cool you off. It only gets you in the face, that's it. I don't feel anything on the neck. And there's nothing on this side to get the bottom of your neck. It's just right here. And it only blows out of here. It does not blow out back here where it should be blowing out also. Only on the sides. So that's kind of false advertising right there. I don't like that. Return.
Hello, today I'm going to give you my thoughts on the JISULIFE portable neck fan. I've got it in the green. It comes in several different colors. It's currently on the medium speed mode. It's not very loud. It's got low, medium, and high speeds. You can charge it up with a USB-C charger. And it's got fans all the way around. And you can wear your hair down. It doesn't suck it up into it. It's pretty lightweight. And it's nearly August now, so we have plenty of hot days left. I only wish I would have got this about a month ago. The only thing I wish it did have was some kind of carrying case for travel. But it's perfect for like outside events, mowing the lawn, if you're going through menopause. Helps with hot flashes. Yeah, so that's my take on this. I think it's pretty good value. It just looks like you're wearing a pair of headphones.
Off. This is low. Press it again for medium.
on the highest setting. Lights. The air pump settings right here. We got left side, right side. Now look, like headphones. And then the charging port is here, right under the power button.
I don't know if you can hear it, but it's very loud. And there's kind of a rattle sound. I don't know if you can hear it over here. Trying to get it next to the mic next. But it is very loud. This is high speed though. Hang on, let me turn it low. Where's my button? There it is. Nope, that's not it. Where's the button here? There it goes. You kind of hear that? Shh. You hear that rattle? It's almost like something's in the fan. That's the second speed and third speed. Hear that little bit when it ends? That's the only complaint I have.
And then it's off. Yeah, I mean, it does what I want it to do. Light breeze. It's not going to cool you like an AC unit, but it does. It gives you a little bit of a breeze. 10 out of 10.
Okay, so this is the fan. Setting 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here's a tissue, just to show that it does work. By your jawline and your ears it'll be fine, but if you move around past where your ears are, it just drops off. Nothing at all until you get round again to your ears. So if you're looking for a fan for your cheeks, it's fine, but nothing back here.
Hey guys, so this is the fan on the highest setting, level 3. I have a piece of paper here that's gonna blow the fan. See, pretty strong. Other side, pretty strong. When we do the one behind the neck, it's extremely weak. It barely even blows. It doesn't work that well.